mine. I won. No, come back. How you get all that drip? How you get all that drip? What you
I'm gonna
doing?
do this. Like, do this.
Like, do
Sure.
this.
Sure. And then like you're gonna I'm gonna destroy
See
you.
my vlog. Let's go. I'm gonna.
Match starting. Round starting.
Sing. No. No.
Round starting.
No.
Round starting.
Yay.
Round starting.
Sing.
Round starting.
No.
Round starting.
No.
Round starting. Round starting.
Yeah.
Round starting.
how many fingers? Oh, you have one
Oh,
finger.
what the freak?
Hold on, I'm gonna do something with that one finger. What is this thing in your mind? Yeah. Oh, what are you laughing
Damn, why don't you put fucking green behind you? Oh, behind you. Follow me, Demon. Yo.
Mine's not full. Mine's not at 16. Should I join mine? I'm a full
Come
gorilla.
on, hurry up.
Is that different than yours?
Yeah, that's better.
Oh. Oh, I hear you. You're not.
I did not earn money for playing the game.
You look so
Wait.
weird.
Where are you?
No, I just walked by. I literally
Oh,
walked
Christ,
directly in front of you.
Yo, I'm for these kids. No, wait. No, bro. Get out. Yeah, let's play. Thank you, bro.
Oh, that kid's nice.
Thank you, bro.
Most butt ass. Why they even add that map? It's gonna piss me the fuck off.
What map?
The fucking beach map.
These on the ship?
That map shouldn't even exist.
This?
I hate it.
This?
No, when you like go in, you can choose maps, and someone choose the beach map.
Oh yeah, the beach. I hate that map.
I don't understand why the.
Alright.
Match starting. Round starting.
Red for 90. Hit brown for 80.
Round starting. Round starting. Round starting.
Hit brown for 90. Brown's dead.
Round starting.
Let me get him. Oh wait. No, you're just gonna get your ass kicked again. And guess who told me to rematch them? Guess who told me to rematch them? A chimp recruiter. Like, you're just gonna get your ass kicked again. Do not do that. I'm trying so hard to get RPG.
I am gonna win.
Can you get on that side, please?
Thanks. Mark, I haven't tried this one.
What we're getting.
Match starting.
I gave you one.
Round starting.
But you're probably better. You have a better streak than me, actually. Damn, tie!
We are cooked.
Round starting.
I got the other. I'm cracked at that one, my gosh.
Round starting.
Got one. It's just the bad one.
No.
You know what? Should I use machete? I'm going to use machete. Wait, all of us use machete. Use machete.
I don't got machete.
Round starting.
Well, then use whatever. I killed the other one with machete.
Round starting.
Machete. Machete. Rematch, guys? Rematch, but we can only use machete.
Why'd you steal my AK, you modder?
Bro, I'm gone.
Bro, every
This is
single
the only
person-
thing
bro.
I have. This is the only thing I have.
Why'd you steal my AK, bro? Why'd you steal my
Dude,
AK?
it's like my pink tip. Is it pink?
Yes,
And
bro.
this is the only thing I have.
No, I did not take your melee, too.
Y'all can't find me. I'm too hidden for y'all, bro. Y'all can't find me. I'm too mysterious. Nope, 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 nope.
I literally
I'm too mysterious for y'all, bro.
a secret? You want a secret? It's quote 6-7.
I already used it. We already used it.
Oh, you little.
Sadly.
that already.
It's code 67 mango mustard.
Silverback poo, get off.
It's like it's a
No,
new
he's
life.
my friend. Get out. You get out. Get out now.
Get off.
No, he's my friend. Fine, if I get off, he gets off.
Bro, I just went 5 rounds.
Okay.
But your gun sucks. Get out. Titanosaur, come on, bro. Come on, Titanosaur.
So get
to my gun.
Exactly, you're a glazer. A glazer.
Let me play this round.
Wait, it's you. It's you.
You let me join.
Wait. Switch to the thing.
Oh, fuck no.
Switch to the knife.
Apex Prince.
We're in the comb.
Who you want to bump one? You. You.
You want to run me one? Run me one.
Yo, why
No,
farming
no,
tip recruits?
no.
Stop farming
No,
tip
you-
recruits. What are you doing?
Yeah, go Yeah, you're scared. Go get somebody your own age. I mean, age. What?
I got you, man.
What are we doing over here?
I need to change my radar.
Holy. You know, once I went against a super bad Apex friend at my rank,
My teammate sucked.
He got 5.
Hell no.
If you find him, he has like
shit,
he has like the start
You're
on
60.
Oh man.
Hell no.
You see a lot of him. 17 win streak. He has a hat on.
I bet you
Battle Commando, come on my team. Come on my team.
I got you,
Oh,
mine.
go back on his team. Oh,
Now,
yeah,
how about you kill yourself?
Hey,
somebody come on
that's
my
me.
team? Could somebody come on my team?
Who wants to do some
So
melee?
we're win streak farming against our friends.
Wait,
got
this
it.
is melee. You guys want to do some melee?
I wish I can get an Apex friend to my team.
I'm so close.
I wish I could get
So-
an Apex friend to
Nobody
my
wants me on your
team.
team.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, let's go to
Fucking
one
Fucking what are your cosmetics?
I wish an Apex Prince would come on my team.
What kind of homies?
Yo, yo,
I wish
Bamboo
somebody
Staff.
would fucking win me. Thank you.
Bamboo Staff, he's good, bro. He's good, trust.
Oh,
It's going to Timothy's.
I think
Oh my god, bro.
Like,
Get out, bro.
I haven't played in so long. I've been dead serious.
Click this one, bro. I'm good at this one.
But I haven't like I started playing again a couple days ago on Christmas.
Match starting. Round starting.
Oh, it might be good. Yeah.
No, I can't switch.
No,
I can't switch.
No, I wasn't. I was trying to switch some shotgun. No, where's my
Round
teammate?
starting.
Oh, there we go. Teammate.
Oh,
Dead one.
Oh,
360. Free bag of chips.
I want
Round starting.
Teammate can be locking.
Put them on me.
I'll take
Hey,
that
rockin'. Oh, I hit my hand.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I hit on my wall. Thanks,
Are you a good boy?
Yes, go on.
Are you a
Go
good
on,
boy?
I am a good boy.
Oh, he just said he's a good boy. You're cheating. Nah.
Yo, bro, I'm just good at the game, bro.
Yeah, hey,
Wait,
are you
okay.
hacking or no?
Yes, he is.
Round starting.
Oh, you so good. Playing on him, 2-1-8. Oh, I done got teammate SMG. My teammate won.
Dang it, I was trying to do a double team.
I saw that.
Teammate.
Yo, teammate, lock in. I'm
Round starting.
carrying my teammate, guys.
Oh my god, I did a double 360. I tried getting out my shotgun. It didn't let me get out my shotgun.
You're cheating. Teammate, I swear to God, if you lose this,
Double 360.
I want to see this double 360. Hey, shoot him. Yo, do this double 360. I want to see this.
Right
on
here.
him. Dude, dude.
Right in.
He's right here. He's in the middle. He's in the middle. Under. He's under middle. He's under middle.
Oh, I think I missed.
Yo, you're
Let him
gay.
kill you this round.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
Let him kill you once. Let him kill you.
Hey, don't
Let
shoot
him
him.
kill you.
You don't want that. Hey!
Let him kill you. You too good.
No, yeah. Bro, my teammate sucks. Please, let him kill you.
He knew.
Bro, yo, tell your teammate to get like more visible.
Teammate hurt!
Can I kill one of them?
I'll kill you. I'm carrying my teammate, everybody.
You know what?
Round starting.
Oh crap. Oh crap.
Play on the back 360. Play on the back with the back phone.
I'm coming for you.
Oh no. Oh no.
To kill you now.
Wait, teammate, let him kill you, bro. Please, I want to do a third with 360. I want to do a third with 360 on him, please.
Good job.
Alright, I'm gonna do
Yo,
a
my
third with 360
teammate's
on him.
new, bro. Why don't I get the new teammate?
Round starting.
I kill one of them. I go in the air.
Oh, I know.
You're gay. I'm leaving my
You the
teammate.
gay one.
Teammate, let him kill you. We're in the duel.
Come on, teammate.
Okay, let me show you.
Kill me.
I'm gonna try to hit a double 360 on this new right
Let him back, guys. They gotta go about hit a
bro, I thought the dead body was
360 on this one guy.
I thought the dead
I don't
body
know.
was still alive.
Are you recording?
Wait, hey, tell him to go on top of the middle thing. Tell him to go on top of the middle thing. Alright, whatever. 360! Dang it, I missed. This time, baby.
VMAX.
Oh my god.
So close.
How can I be so stupid?
Yo, what's up, my?
Oh!
In my life.
Alright.
Wait, Connor, did you give him the crown? Connor, did you gift him the thing?
One, two, me, go, na, me, go, na, me, go, na, me.
Nice.
Na, me, go, na, me.